Hello everyone, today we're looking at K-9 Mail. This is a famous open source email app for Android. It has been around for a long time and is known for being fast and private. The biggest news about K-9 is its partnership with Mozilla. K-9 has now become the foundation for the new Thunder app on Android. If you use K-9 Mail today, you might notice it looks and feels almost exactly like Thunderbird. That is because they use the same code under the hood. The developers have joined Thunderbird team to make one great mobile app. K-9 is the best tool for people who handle a lot of email. One of its best features is the unified inbox. This lets you see messages from all of your different accounts in one single list. It works with almost any email provider using IMAP or POP3. Privacy is the main reason people choose this app. Unlike other popular mail apps, K-9 doesn't track your behavior. It does not show ads in your inbox. It only connects directly to your mail server. This means your data stays between you and the provider. For extra security, it supports PGP encryption. This allows you to sign in and lock your emails so only the right person can read them. The app is very lightweight. It does not waste your battery or phone storage. The design uses a modern Material 3 style, so it looks clean and works well with dark mode. You can change the colors for each account to keep things organized. K9 Mail is still a top choice in 2026. It is perfect for anyone who wants a simple, secure way to check their mail without big tech companies watching it. It's free, open source, and very reliable. Whether you stick with K9 or move to Thunderbird, you're getting a great experience. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.